Today I want to tell you about one of my favorite hunting knives from Outdoor Edge, and that is the RazorPro. Now this is a 2-blade folding knife that features a patented replacement razor blade system. It takes a thin, surgically sharp stainless steel razor blade and supports it with a sturdy black oxide coated blade holder that fully supports the razor blade. This gives you all the strength of a regular knife and the razor sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. Changing blades is both safe and easy. When a blade goes dull, you simply push the lock button in the handle, take out the old blade, and insert a shaving sharp new one. The second blade is Outdoor Edge's signature gutting blade that cuts underneath the skin to open game just like a zipper without cutting any hair or internal organs. Each RazorPro comes with 6 surgically sharp razor blades that are precisely heat treated and made from Japanese 420J2 stainless steel. Each RazorPro comes with a quality nylon belt sheath with a separate compartment to store all your spare blades. The spare blades come individually vacuum sealed in easy tear open pouches so they stay clean and dry. It's also available as a knife saw combo set with a folding wood bone saw for quartering game and clearing limbs. The rubberized TPR handle gives a secure non-slip grip, and the blaze orange handle makes the knife so easy to find whenever you set it down. So if you're looking for a great new hunting knife that never needs sharpening, check out the RazorPro and RazorPro Saw Combo from Outdoor Edge.
This is the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B, full-tang spear-point fixed-blade knife. Draped in covert black, the Smith & Wesson SWHRT-9B is a tactical and self-defense blade forged from high-carbon 7CR17 Movi stainless steel. The 12.1 centimeter blood-grooved black blade is dual-edged, providing bi-directional, razor-sharp cutting power along with a finely tapered spear-point tip. The full-tang design captures the high tensile strength of the blade's steel, carrying it through the full length of the 22.9 centimeter knife and forming the internal core of the ribbed black TPE handle. Top and bottom finger guard extensions distance your hand from the dual-edged blade. A lanyard hole in the handle's base can be used to tether the SWHRT-9B to your wrist for added security during tactical operations. A black leather boot sheath with reinforced stitching and sturdy steel clip provides discreet, ready access. A lightweight, tactical spear point blade. The SWHRT-9B is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.